You will see the sample card design open in the center of the screen. This is to give you a starting point to work from instead of a blank screen. At the bottom of the screen under the card design, you will see thumbnails. These are the front and back selectors that allow you to switch to view either. Along the left hand side, you will see 6 icons depicting design elements you can alter. Next to the icons, you will have thumbnail images showing you what design elements will look like. Above these thumbnails, you will notice a drop-down menu box that will enable you to select various types of option styling. If you select the text icon, you should see some pre-formatted text options using various fonts. Under Images, you will find some pre-formatted frames that can be helped place around your photographs to help accentuate them. The Upload icon is where you can upload your own photos, backgrounds and images for your card design. The Facebook and Instagram icons can be used to log into these services to download images also. At the bottom of this bar is the zoom feature. You can use this to zoom in and out of the design as needs be. You can zoom in on a PC with Control plus the mouse wheel, or use the pinch zoom feature on touch devices. Going back to backgrounds, all you need to do is select the image and it is instantly applied to the card design. This applies to all design elements on the left-hand menu system. They are placed in the design for you to manipulate as you wish. Now, selecting the items in the card design is quite straightforward. You simply click or touch them to select them. You will notice a box appearing around them with smaller boxes around the border. These smaller boxes or handles can be used to manipulate the item size and shape. The corner handles can change the size while maintaining the shape, and the handles in the middle will let you stretch them. If you hover over the selected item, you will see a cross shape with arrows at the ends. This means that if you click or touch and drag, you will move the item. Release the click or touch to drop it where you have it. Along the top of the screen in the blue bar, you will see 2 swooping arrows pointing left and right. These are the undo and redo buttons. So if you make a mistake, you can click or touch the left undo button to undo what you just did. These buttons are historical in the sense that you can undo multiple times if you have a series of changes you did not like. This top bar also has some other buttons. The QR one allows you to place a square barcode that can be scanned to bring people to a website or even to hold a hidden text. This might be useful if there is a website memorial or even just a link to an RIP.ie death notice. Next to this, we have a gridline icon that simply shows or hides a grid by which you may wish to work for spacing or lining things up. After the undo buttons, there is a text button that simply places a text box on the card for you to type in. The next button allows you to draw lines and shapes on the card. The next button is for when you copy something and want to paste it into another place. Clicking it will paste in what you copied. Copying is as simple as selecting an item and selecting the copy icon in the top grey down bar that you probably have noticed when you are selecting something. The next button along this bar to the right is to save the design as it is for now. When you select this, you are brought to a screen on our website where you can log in or register a new account. If you register, you will be able to save your work and come back to visit when it suits you best. The next button reloads the design to its original state when you first open the customizer. The X icon simply lets you leave the designer and the preview opens a clean preview screen of your design, from where you can go back to designing or submitting the design you were happy with for purchase.